people still use wired phones? I don't, but at work, my on-call room uses one, and the cable didn't reach to the computer. There was an extra cable laying around, and now with this to connect them, I can easily call people and type. What more can I say? It's an inexpensive, functional device that does what it should. It should be a bit cheaper, but that's the problem with online shopping. You're paying a significant premium on shipping for items that only should cost $1. You're probably as lazy as me, and the extra bucks aren't worth the drive to the store for one item. Quality part at an excellent price. The other end is exactly the same, and joins two phone lines together easily and quickly. It also works to connect phone line type video security camera lines together. These pieces often corrode in outside connections and sometimes need to be replaced. Closing parenthesis. Worked perfectly for intended purpose. Thank you. Simple and does the job. Get this if you have two smaller cords to connect and make one long cord. My phone cord connector for my landline works perfectly. Is just what I needed to extend length of my telephone cord, which had a factory sealed-in cord on one end. Thank you. Handy little link up to have around. Fast shipped. It's exactly what I was looking for. I had two phone cords and didn't want to buy another one. It worked out perfectly. Click link in description for more reviews.